Hi there, and welcome to a new section on Tech Travel Geeks. What's in my bag? We'll be talking about the tech we love and carry with us on our travels. First off, Łukasz. And it's a big one. This year, I got extended annual leave for my full-time job. I work at Skyscanner, the travel search engine, and I will be using it to fly around the world in just under 6 weeks. Here, you can see my travel itinerary. So what am I taking? The challenge with this trip is that I hate checking my baggage in. Extra time wasted before the flight, risk of losing my luggage, and you need to wait for it to show up after the flight. So I'll be trying to pack all my camera gear, productivity equipment, as well as clothes for the whole trip into one carry-on bag. My choice of bag is the Hugger 30-liter black camo bag by Douchebags. I've been very happy with it so far, but I've only used it for 2 short trips, so you can expect more information about this bag in the future. It's been great so far, with a large and comfortable main compartment, handy top pocket, especially at airports, and a laptop case on the back. We'll see if my opinion changes after 16 flights and 33,000 miles. As Chief Aperture Officer at Tech Travel Geeks and a big camera enthusiast, the majority of space in my bag is taken by my camera equipment. My camera of choice is the Panasonic Lumix GH5, which is one of the best Micro Four Thirds cameras on the market, especially for video shooters. It has fantastic 4K image in 60 frames per second, which allows me to get slow motion from all of my footage without the need to change any settings. It also has top-of-the-line image stabilization and a way too uncommon flip-out screen, which for me is a deal breaker with other cameras. Sony, your move. I'm also taking a few lenses with me. Starting from the widest, I have the 16 to 36mm equivalent lens, a 24-120 equivalent zoom lens, my favorite, the 85mm equivalent f1.2 lens, and the telephoto 70 to 200mm equivalent. I might leave one of them at home, as they don't all fit into my Amazon Basics camera bag, but we'll see how much space I'll have when I add the clothes and other necessities. For audio, I'm taking the Rode Video Micro microphone with a windshield. This time, I'm leaving home the Zoom H5 audio recorder due to space constraints, and because I wouldn't most likely have enough time to use it for run and gun filming. Some other filming equipment I'm taking. DJI Mavic Air Drone, the smallest 4K drone available, fantastic and hugely enjoyable tool which allows creating some amazing footage. You can see my unboxing and first impressions video recorded for coolsmartphone.com on my YouTube channel, link in the description, but also expect more on Tech Travel Geeks. GoPro Hero 5, a useful tool especially for extreme sports and water sports, so I'm hoping to use it a few times, together with the floating handle and Lume Cube, a great waterproof LED light which might come in handy underwater. Joby GorillaPod, the key tool in Casey Neistat's arsenal, so I couldn't live without it. What I'm leaving home, however, is the Zion Crane gimbal stabilizer, but it's way too big and heavy for this trip. My current daily driver is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which is a fantastic phone. You can watch my other videos about it on this YouTube channel, including the unboxing video and the comparison of the S8 Plus, focusing on travelers. I'll definitely take it through its paces during this trip. In addition to this, I'm also taking the Doogee BL7000. Thanks, Matteo. It's actually the first time that I'm taking 2 phones with me, but I'll be treating this one as a power bank / music player most of the time. This phone has a 7000 mAh battery, so I'm taking it instead of an extra power bank, with the benefit of using it for other purposes as well. My laptop of choice is the new 13.3-inch Microsoft Surface Book 2. I've stayed with Windows over the years, and I couldn't be happier with this laptop. It has top specs, which allow me to edit 4K video without any issues, great keyboard, and a screen which transforms into a tablet. You can expect a more thorough review on Tech Travel Geeks in the near future. Since I film everything in 4K and film a lot, I need lots of storage. I'll be taking 2 portable hard drives, 2TB and 4TB, initially as redundancy, and in case I use more data as extra storage. I'm also taking a number of SD and micro SD cards. There's never too many of them. Nintendo Switch. It's my first console since PlayStation 2. I don't really play that many games, but I couldn't be happier with the purchase. However, even though I have a few AAA titles like Mario Odyssey and The Legend of Zelda: The Breath of the Wild, and more recently Doom, I usually play quick games like pinballs or quick racing games like Fast RMX. Sony WH-1000XM2 wireless noise cancelling headphones. Quite a mouthful. Those are actually my first noise cancelling headphones, but they really changed my commuting and traveling experience forever. Chromecast. For streaming from my phone or laptop, in case there's a TV with HDMI and decent Wi-Fi in one of the hotels. Finally, cables and chargers. Lots of them. However, I'm trying to limit the number of chargers I'm taking, so I'll be reusing the laptop charger and drone charger for recharging other devices, since they both have spare USB outs. I'm also taking a universal power adapter, which supports 4 different types of outlets, as well as an extension block. We hope you liked this new section on Tech Travel Geeks. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that like button. Also, please do contact us through the comments section on YouTube or via our social media channels. We'll be really happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching.